This wealth formula will make you financially free. The mistake most people make is assuming that financial freedom only comes with inheritance or good luck. However, the truth is wealth stems from consistently putting in effort to do the right thing. And today, we'll be unlocking the secrets to financial freedom. Breaking free from the shackles of financial constraints is everyone's goal, but not everyone achieves this goal. Well, it all depends on the approach taken to achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom is not just about saving a particular lump sum, but it is also about taking full control of your finances. Imagine a life in which you have a reliable cash flow that empowers you to live the life you desire, free from constant worry of bill payments or unexpected expenses. Now that is a dream life. A life in which you can confidently say, "I can choose to work now." A number of people might think this is only a lifestyle that can be achieved if you were born into a rich family. To be fair, I used to believe in this notion when I was growing, but I soon realized that attaining a financially free life isn't as tough as we might think it to be. Now, don't get me wrong, it isn't an easy task either, but it is attainable, and I'll be sharing with you a foolproof formula that helped tons of people gain financial freedom, and yes, it can help you too. The first step you might want to take is actually to stop everything and take a step back to evaluate your situation. Why? Well, understanding your starting point is crucial for achieving financial freedom. It may seem daunting to assess the amount of debt you have, the lack of savings, and the financial needs you must meet. However, this step is valuable and sets you in the right direction. You can start by creating a comprehensive list of all of your debts, including your mortgage, student loans, car loan, credit card balances, and any money borrowed from friends or family. If this is a lot, take a moment to breathe deeply and add up all the numbers. What is the total amount of your debt? If it appears to be a substantial figure, don't panic. We'll be discussing how you can address this, and if it's a small amount, kudos to you. Always remember the words of Eleanor Roosevelt, "He who loses money loses much. He who loses a friend loses much more. He who loses faith loses all." Next, you should write your goals down. This step may seem inconsequential, but trust me, it is very important. So, what prompts a need for money? Is it the desire to break free from the typical 9-to-5 routine consuming you? Are you driven to eliminate debt permanently? Perhaps there's a specific destination you've always dreamt of exploring, or you're striving to save for important life milestones such as a wedding, children, or retirement. In my personal experience, attaining financial freedom stemmed from connecting it to an emotional objective. Observing the positive changes in my financial situation fueled my enthusiasm and spurred me to strive for greater financial prosperity. It's safe to say that if I hadn't tied my goal of financial freedom to something deeply emotional, I likely would not have achieved it. While it may be unrealistic to expect to achieve all of your goals within a single month, the span of a year or perhaps 6 months offers ample time to make substantial progress. It is crucial to ensure that your goal is quantifiable and tied to a specific numerical value you aim to reach. Surprisingly, you'll find yourself naturally working towards these goals, often without even realizing it. Therefore, having a crystal clear understanding of what you wish to accomplish significantly amplifies the path to financial freedom. By defining your goals with precision, the journey toward achieving them becomes exponentially smoother and more manageable. In today's era of consumerism, advertisements often lure us with the promise that owning the latest phone or wearing the trendiest clothes and accessories will make us appear superior to others, thereby enhancing our self-perception. Consequently, we often succumb to the temptation and exhaust our hard-earned money in pursuit of immediate gratification. Unfortunately, in this process, we unintentionally mortgage our future, when in reality, we should be doing the exact opposite. Although saving money may sound simple, it is anything but. It demands a quality that we as humans often struggle with: delayed gratification. This trait not only applies to you as an individual, but also requires the collective effort of your entire family. It entails making certain sacrifices, such as refraining from visiting expensive movie theaters or theme parks on weekends when ticket prices are exorbitant. It means curbing the urge to take 2 overseas vacations every year just to compete with your colleagues. It means resisting the temptation to buy the latest smartphone when your current one is only a year old. By exercising such self-discipline, we can pave the way for a more financially stable and fulfilling future. Tracking your spending is also a crucial stride towards attaining financial freedom, and the good news is that there are excellent tools available that can assist you in this endeavor. By using tools that track your spending, you gain valuable insights into your expenditure patterns. These tools provide detailed information about your spending habits, including the total amount of money you're utilizing, the specific categories where you may have exceeded your budget, as well as comprehensive overviews of your account balances and outstanding debts. Now that you have the knowledge, you can make informed decisions. Is your spending crippling your finances? If yes, why not spend below your income? In other words, cultivate a simpler lifestyle. Developing a mindset centered on maximizing value from less is essential for mastering a thrifty way of life, and the process is simpler than you may expect. Many wealthy individuals have embraced the practice of living within their means long before attaining affluence. It basically involves cultivating the ability to distinguish between necessities and desires, and then making modest adjustments that significantly enhance your financial well-being. I discovered 2 main things by simplifying my lifestyle. 1. You will have more money available to save for achieving financial independence. 2. People often require far less than they assume, thus leading to additional savings. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Seneca. It's common to encounter varying opinions regarding whether it is wiser to invest in stocks or prioritize debt repayment. Some individuals argue that investing in stocks can be more financially advantageous, especially for those with expertise in stock picking. However, it is crucial to recognize that if you lack experience in stock investment, there is a risk of accumulating further debt instead of achieving positive financial outcomes. The feeling of relief is widely shared among those who have made their final debt repayment. Even if you possess a considerable amount of cash in the bank, true financial freedom cannot be claimed if you still have outstanding debt. Although it may not be as glamorous as amassing wealth, directing your resources toward debt repayment brings you closer to attaining financial freedom. Whether you choose to use the snowball or avalanche method, it really is up to you. While the avalanche method focuses on tackling the debt with the highest interest rate, the snowball method involves prioritizing the repayment of the smallest debt first. However, whichever method you choose to use, stick to it. Additionally, paying off your debt with a singular income might not be realistic. It's crucial to take proactive steps and explore additional avenues to generate income beyond your current employment. Financial experts often suggest aiming for multiple streams of income. If you already have a regular job, that's 1 off the table. Now you have to seek out 5 more. It's very easy to get overwhelmed and discouraged at this stage, but rather than source out all 5 at the same time, why not start with 1? After all, focusing on one thing at a time is more fruitful. Then, when the new one is past the foundation stage, you can pick up another. When considering your income sources, you can categorize them into 2 types: active income, which involves trading your time for money, and passive income, which refers to money that continues to flow in even when you're not actively working, such as through investments or automated businesses. To attain wealth, you can consider investing in various avenues such as mutual funds, stocks, real estate, or other opportunities that offer higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or fixed deposit schemes. It's important to note that investing all your money at once is not necessary. You can adopt a planned and monthly investment approach, staggering your investments over time, and as we mentioned, you have to know what you're doing. People lose money to investments. I've lost money on investments because I was not making informed decisions. Why not avoid making that mistake by deeply researching before investing? Then patiently sit back and watch your finances blossom. If you want to learn more about how to be the master of your finances, click on the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the video description. Watch our video appearing on the screen now. We're sure this will also help you on your path to financial education.